Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Today I'm going to be creating a look using only NYX Cosmetics products. You are going to see that there were a few things that I was actually missing, and I did not realize that until I started filming this video, so I had to make it work and improvise with what I had. So if you're interested in seeing me struggle my way through this tutorial, then keep on watching. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is prime my face using the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. I love this primer. I'm almost out. I'll have to get more soon, but take my nose ring out. The only foundation that I have from NYX is their Mineral Stick Foundation in shade Medium Beige, so I'm going to use that as my foundation. I actually love this, and if you're looking for a good drugstore brand, and I use quotes because NYX Cosmetics to me, like, yeah, it's drugstore, but their products are really good quality, so they're like borderline drugstore to me, in my opinion. So anyway, if you're looking for a good, less expensive stick foundation to try out, I would highly recommend that. And I'm gonna just use a little buffing brush here. Let's see. Okay, let's apply this foundation. I'm gonna smooth it out with my sponge here. Okay, so I apologize everybody. At this point, my volume on my phone shut off, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover for portions of this video. I don't remember what I was saying at this point, but it looks like I have the NYX contour stick, and I am going to be applying that as a concealer because I did not have a NYX brand concealer. I actually ran out before this video, so I had to use the contour stick. Let's just see if I can blend this just to brighten up the under eye a little bit. Okay, so my volume cut out yet again, but I do believe at this point I was realizing that I do not have any NYX brand setting powder. So I made the decision to move on to the next step and contour my face using the same contour stick I used as concealer. Okay, I guess it's time for me to get a new one. Like, I've hit pan on my Wonder Stick. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of contouring here. So this is the brush I'll be using. It's a NYX brush. It is the number 5 brush. I'm going to use that to blend out my contour. And by the way, the NYX Wonder Stick that I used for concealing and for contouring is the shade Medium Tan. I'm gonna buff the rest of this out and I will be right back. Alright, so here is the point of the video that I realized that I also do not have any blush or any highlight from NYX Cosmetics. So what I decided to do is use NYX Prismatic Eyeshadow in shade Frostbite as my highlight. And then I went with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in shade Istanbul for the blush. I'm going to apply the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream as a blush using that blush brush that I have there, and I just dab a little bit onto the bristles and I blend it into the skin. I thought this would end up looking terrible, but it turned out okay in the end. I just blended it a little bit more with the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge just to make sure it was fully blended into the skin. Now I am going to apply this prismatic eyeshadow as a highlight. I love this shade. It is super pretty, and I thought it'd be perfect for a highlighter. So I'm gonna apply it using my fan brush. And let's see here. It turned out pretty well, as I had expected it to. And I'm watching this video like, bitch, do I ever shut up? So I'm going to apply this highlight using the tip of my finger to the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and then also going to apply it to my Cupid's bow. And at this point in the video, guys, I'm just going to finish using the voiceover because I'm not sure which clips contain sound and which do not. So I figure I'm just gonna go ahead and talk the rest of this video through using the voiceover. That right there was the NYX eyeshadow base in shade white, and here I am realizing I do not have yet again another NYX product, which would be a brow product. So I decided to use that shade right there from the NYX Sex Bomb palette. It is an eyeshadow palette, and I thought that that would be the closest thing that I have to like a brow powder. So I just used my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow brush, and I went ahead and used that eyeshadow and brushed it into my brows. That turned out really well on my brows, but the only time I would recommend doing that is if you do not have any other options. So now I'm going to do the eyeshadow look, and I have two palettes from NYX, the Sex Bomb palette and the Happy Birthday palette that I received for free from Ulta for my birthday. I'm sure many of you have this palette as well. I love the shades in this palette, and I think it's pretty great. I just don't use it that often. I have other palettes that I like a lot better, but since this is a NYX video, I am going to go ahead and use this palette right here. So I'm gonna go in with this nude shade into my crease, and I'm just going to blend that out. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this orangish shade right here and use that as the transition shade in my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with this burgundy brownish shade, and I'm going to deepen up the outer V. Oh yeah, and then I realized I don't have any concealer to do a cut crease, so I decided to go in with that gold shimmery shade and apply that all over my lid. It's funny because when I initially wanted to record this video, I thought I had more NYX products than I actually had. But once I got going through the tutorial, I realized there were a lot of things that I was missing, so I really had to improvise and make the best of it. Okay, I was wetting the brush to add more pigmentation to the gold shadow. Get it, girl. What? Lastly, gosh, I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh, I guess I'm just going back in with that orange transition shade and blending for the gods. What is this here? What am I doing with that shade? Okay, I'm highlighting my brow bone. And I'm probably going to do the inner corner of my eye as well. It's always good to add a shimmery, like gold or champagne, whichever matches your skin tone. A goldish color to highlight your brow bone. It makes your eyelids look bigger, and it just adds a little extra glow. Oh look, I already put my lashes on. Those are the Flower Garden lashes. in style Jasmine. Damn, I moved quick. Oh, there I am. Okay, so I did not have any color eyeliner that I thought would be appropriate with that look, so I decided to skip the eyeliner. And I think I'm about to smoke out the the lower lash line. Yep, there I go. Just using a small blending brush, what have you, and smoking out the lower lash line. Alright, hurry up, girl. Damn. Alright, now I think I'm gonna finish smoking out my lower lash line with that gold shade. I don't like to do dark shadows all the way to the inner corner of my eye on the lower lash line. I feel like it makes my eyes look a lot smaller, and using a lighter shade on the inner corner helps, in my opinion, to make my eyes look just a little bit bigger. Okay, so last but not least, I am going to apply lipstick. I have a few NYX matte lip creams, and then I also have the Simply Vamp lip cream crayon. Well, I decided to go with the NYX Cosmic Metals lip cream in shade Speed of Light. So I apply that here, and then you'll get to see the final look. And I do apologize, guys, for the technical difficulties. I had uploaded my video to YouTube, and then I realized once I played it back that some of the sound was missing, and I think that happened when I saved my video to the cloud. Something went wrong here, but here's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. I will leave that link right here in a second. And give this video a thumbs up. Once again, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I have so much fun filming these YouTube videos, and I really hope that you guys enjoy them. Alright guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye.